Alright, we got a new HP computer, and we are going to open this up, and then we're going to upgrade it with some additional RAM. So let's first open this box up and see what we got. So before doing anything, even powering it up, I want to take it apart so I can upgrade the RAM. And I'm no expert at this, I've never done it before. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Okay, I got this new toolkit just for opening up computers. Hopefully it has everything that I need. Okay, well that's disappointing that it didn't have a basic screwdriver. But I got one, so I can continue. Alright, and this is the difficult part. We got screws underneath here that we need to take off. Start at this end. It's difficult because I actually glue this down. You have to be careful not to rip it. Okay, so you can see that. I didn't get the adhesive underneath it. Alright, there. Okay, so we'll put this to the side to replace. Alright, let's do the same thing to this one over here. Okay, it looks like there's 3 screws on this back side. Okay, so all of the screws should be out. So now what we need to do is remove this bottom cover. And to do that, we're going to use one of our tools again to try to pry it up. Okay. There we go. We were able to get it off. It took some time. It was a lot more time consuming than I thought it was going to be. I wouldn't say necessarily that it's difficult, but you have to be careful and it's not just going to pop off once you take all the screws off. Okay, so this is the other RAM slot, and this is our RAM stick. Okay. Here is our RAM stick. Just going to put this in at an angle. See if we can press it down into place. That was it, just had to press it down. All right, got our cover, now we can turn our cover. Started on the back end, are the hinges. Clicking on the back, just going to work its way up. And all I had to do was press, and it's all clipped in. Alright, now I want to look at it from the laptop being open. And this all looks pretty flush. This one still popped up. There we go. I think we are set. Okay. Now we can put our screws back in place. Okay, I'm going to start with the black screws that were in the corner, the back end. And once the two black ones are in, okay. Now I'm going to put my little rubber strips back on the back end. Okay, so now I got my rubber tracks back down on the bottom of the laptop. And hopefully it will load up without any issues, even though it has the new RAM. And we're good.